Yes. Ji, assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Are you fine? Today, we are going to discuss some MCQs, okay, on the basis of your upcoming examination. It is, of course, higher mathematics. I think all of you will cooperate. I know that the students love to solve MCQs within very short time, okay? So let's do some MCQs, okay? At first, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Okay. So I'm going to give you some MCQs. If you can answer, you will raise your hand. Today, our host is my respected colleague, Mohammad Muqtasir Rahman sir. Okay, he will allow you to talk, to unmute. If you can answer, then please raise your hand. And I want to see who can answer. Okay. Number one, you will write down the number of elements of a set is n. How many subsets don't make sound? How many subsets will be there of the set? I am giving option A, n, B, twice n, C, 2 to the power n plus 1, D, 2 to the power n. Okay, who can answer? Raise your hand. Please read the question again. The number of elements of a set is n. How many subsets will be there of the set? Who can tell me? So nobody can answer?
Sir, Asin
Sir,
bin Azad.
2n.
Sorry?
Sir, 2n, B.
Answer B. Okay, I have got one answer B. What's your name?
Sir, Asin bin Azad.
Okay, is there anyone here who can answer?
Sir, Mubashir can.
Mubashir, please answer.
Mubashir,
Sir, B.
unmute yourself.
B for Bangladesh, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
all of you are wrong. Its answer is D.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay, not a matter.
Yes, sir.
So please write down. It is an important
Okay,
question.
sir. I'm already on mute.
Okay, it is a question which is normally given in the examination. Do you know how 2 to the power n becomes? Yes or no? You know it or not?
No, sir.
No. I'm not getting a yes or no.
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
I am telling its number of subsets is 2 to the power n. Do you know it or not?
So we don't.
You don't. Okay, that's good. So
Sir, we
let's. Okay, very good. But when you were in class 8, you were taught in the higher mathematics, you were also taught in general mathematics, you are also taught. Okay, anyway, not a matter. Okay, please let me know. Suppose, please pay attention. Suppose B is equal to 1. Subset means in a higher mathematics, it is called, I will make it in a power set. What is P of B? Can you please let me know? P of B goes to what? 1
One and empty set.
empty set. Okay. Okay, very good. If C is equal to retain 1 and 2, P of C goes to what?
Yes, sir.
Let me know. 1, 2. 1, 2 and empty set. Is it?
Yes, sir.
If it,
Yes,
if
sir.
it is
4 elements.
if it is
Subset.
written 1, 2, 3, then P of D. What is power set? Who can tell me? What is power set? Power set
So the
is,
subset of all element, the subset of all subsets in a set.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Power set is a set itself. Please write down. Power set is a set itself. That means you see, all of you are required to see, suppose it is 1, its subsets are 1 and empty set, right? I repeat, B, its element is 1, whose subsets are 1 and empty set. But I have given second bracket here because power set is a set itself. For this, I have indicated all the elements within a second bracket. Have you seen it? So power set is the set itself. We must give second bracket. Okay, including all the subsets. If P of D equals to 1 to 3, then let me know. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then it is 2, 3. Then it is 1, 2, 3. And it is an empty set. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have given you 3 examples. Okay, I have given you 3 examples. You see, for B, n equals to 1. N means what? Number of elements. N equals to
Number
what?
of elements. Number of
1.
elements.
How many subsets are there?
Sir, 2.
How many sub? Very good.
Yes, sir.
2 subsets. In the set C, n equals to what? Talk to me.
2.
Sir, n equals to 2.
N equals to 2. Number of subsets here?
Sir, 4.
4.
Very good. Here number of subsets is 4. In the set D, n equals to what? Talk
3.
to me. N equals to 3. Number of subsets?
8.
Number of
8.
8. Very good. 8. Now you see, if I go for drawing a figure like this, okay, it is n. When n equals to 1, we are getting subsets. You write down subsets. We are getting number of subsets. How many subsets we are getting when it is 1? 2. Right?
2.
When n equals to 2, number of subsets what? 4. When n equals to 3,
Yes, sir.
number of subsets is 8. Have you seen? I repeat,
4.
I repeat. For n equals to 1, we are getting number of subsets 2. For n equals to 2, we are getting number of subsets as by 4. for n equals to 3, we are getting number of subsets as by 8. Very good. Okay, 8 can be written 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 equals to what? 8.
Yes, sir.
4 can be written 2a square. 2a square equals to what? 4. 2 can be written 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Have you seen when 1 it is 2 to the power 1? Please don't make sound. Okay, please, I request you all not to make sound. It is 1, so it is 2 to the power 1. It is 2, so it is 2 to the power 2. It is 3, so it is 2 to the power 3. Again, you are making sound. When it is 4, so it will be what? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means what? 16. Talk to me. If it is written 5, then it will be what? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 equals to what? 32. Have you got me or not? Talk to me, all of you.
32.
Have you got it? Hello, everybody. Okay. That means
Yes, sir.
you always see it is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. If it is written n, then we will get 2 to the power n. For 5, 2 to the power 5. For 4, 2 to the power 4. So for n, it is 2 to the power n. Have you got it? My question is, if it is written, suppose it is n equals to 0, then here number of subsets equals to what?
1.
Because n0 means what? 2 to the power 0. So
Yes, sir.
something to the power 0 equals to what? 1. So
Yes, sir.
we'll get number of subsets is 1.
Only
Can you
empty
give me
set, sir.
Can you give me an example?
Sir, only
Suppose
empty set.
A is an empty set, right?
Yes, sir.
Who can tell me what will be its power set? P of A equals
Sir,
to
only
what?
empty set.
Okay,
Only empty set, sir.
is it?
Sir, second
Is it-
bracket হবে।
What's your name?
Sir,
What's your
Marwa।
name? Sorry?
Sir, Marwa।
Okay, you are absolutely right. Because I wrote that power set is a set itself. Power set of any set is a set itself. So we must indicate it within second bracket. Anyway, it is a confusing part. Okay, so write down here number of elements of A is what? Number of elements of A is what? Number of elements n is what? Talk to me, please. N equals to what?
1.
N equals to 1. Empty
Oh.
set. What is empty set?
No, sorry, 0.
What is empty set?
0.
Empty
Zero, sir.
set is a set where there is no element. So there is no element. So
No.
number of element is 0. Have you got it? But
Yes, sir. 0. Yes, sir.
But I have given a second bracket. Now it is an element. That is only 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please try to understand.
Okay.
So when
Yes, sir.
n is 0, then 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1.
1. Okay, sir.
Have you got it?
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Okay. If it is given, suppose E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you find power set? Can you find P of E, or who can find? Please talk to me. You can or you cannot.
Sir, I can find. Sir, it's 16.
So 16.
It is 16 that we know, because here n is
4.
equal to 4. So
Yes,
2 to
sir.
the power
2 to the power
n,
4 equals
that
to
means 2 to the power 4, it will be 16. That is
Yes, sir.
absolutely right.
Yes, sir.
But can you find the subsets?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
please try to understand. The way I am going to show you, it is 1. Write down 1. All of you, please go with me. 1, 2. Mokhlis sir, someone is making very bad sound. Okay, please.
Noise.
It is 3. It is 4. So I have taken at first, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to consider 1. I am going to consider 1. So 1, 2 at a time. 1, 3. 1, 4. Then I will consider these 2. 1 has been taken. So with 2, we are getting 2, 3, 2, 4. Now I will take 3. This is 3. This is 4. This 4, no, I have taken. Remember one thing. 3, 4 is equal to 4, 3. But 3, 4 is not equal to 4, 3. Please try to understand. For second bracket, they are equal. Okay. For the second bracket, they are equal. But when it is first bracket, they are not equal because it maintains the ordered pair. Because first bracket means the value of x and y. It is 3, 4. That means the value of x is 3 and value of y is 4. But here value of x is 4. Here value of x is 3. For this, they are not same. They are not equal. But in this case, for the set, it is not a set. It is a set. Okay, set is to be indicated by second bracket. So for this, they are equal. 3, 4 and 4, 3. They are equal anyway. So we have got 3, 4. Very good. Now we will consider, please try to understand. Now the important part. I will take 3 elements at a time. Very good. You forget 4. It is the hardest part now. You forget 4. Then we are left with, talk to me. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's forget 3. Then we are left with, talk to me. 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Yes, sir.
Again, we forget 2. Then we are left with 1, 3, 4. Now we forget 1. Then we are left with
Sir, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3,
2,
4.
3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now
Speak
you
with
take
all of them.
you take all at a time.
All elements.
Okay, and of course there must be an empty set, and top to bottom there will be a second bracket. Now you count and you will get 16 elements of the power set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes, sir,
6, 7, 8,
Yes,
9,
sir,
10,
16.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it was 4, 2 to the power 4 equals to 16, right? In addition
Yes,
to
sir.
this, I want to just make you understand one thing, something regarding proper subset. Proper subsets. It is power set, it is done. Now, if I go for write down the subsets, they are the subsets of E. Subsets of E. Now, these are the subsets of E. So, which one is, what are the proper subsets here? Can you please let me know? You see that this and these are same, right? Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
They are equal. They are equal. Proper
Yes, sir.
subset means what? They must not be equal. So they are equal. So the formula to find out the proper subset is 2 to the power n minus 1. Please write down. 2 to the power n minus 1. So how many proper subsets of the set E in this math? How many proper subsets are there of the set E? Talk to me.
Sir, 15.
Yes, it will be 2 to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 15. Always, it is the formula to find the number of proper subsets. Please write down. It is the formula to find out the number of proper subsets. All of you, please pay attention. 2 to the power n minus 1. Why it is minus 1? Because we are not getting it is proper. Proper means what?
It's
Proper
not
means
same.
what? Suppose A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 2. So here A is a subset of B. Here A is a proper subset of B because A
There
and
is
B
no
are not
E.
A and B are not equal.
Yes,
Have you
sir,
got
yes,
me?
sir.
A and B
Yes,
are
I got
not
it.
equal. Have you got it now? Here
Yes, sir.
A is
Yes, sir.
called the proper subset of B. Okay. Write down next. Suppose C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many proper subsets are there of the set C? Number A, 5, 1, 2. Number B, 1, 0, 2, 4. Suppose number C, 100. Number D, 1, 0, 2, 3.
Sir, 1023.
All of you.
Sir, D answer.
Okay, you are telling the answer is D.
The proper subset.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Very
Answer
good.
is D.
Okay, let's verify. Sorry. What is the formula of proper subset? Just at first let me know. What is the
2n
formula?
minus 1. 2
Sir,
to the power n
minus
minus 1.
1.
2 to the power n minus
Minus
1.
1.
So here n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n is 10. So 2 to the power 10 minus 1. 2 to the power 10 means what? 2 to the power 5 is
24.
Wait, 2 to the power
1024.
2 to the power 5 is 32. Its whole square is 1024. It is 1024 minus 1, which is equal to 1023.
23.
All of you, please talk to me.
Yes, sir, all clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you
Clear.
copied it? Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, suppose A set D. D is an empty set. Write down. Write down. Important math. It will be given in the exam. Write down. How many proper subsets of D? I am giving the option 0, 1, 2, 'Just let me know the answer.
Sir,
Sir,
0.
0.
Sir, 0. A. Sir, A answer 0.
All of you, please.
Sir, 0, 0.
Sir,
Sir,
0,
0.
sir.
Okay. At first, let's know. Here, n means what? N
Number
means
of elements.
number of elements of the set, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
empty set means there is no element, right? There is no element. So N is 0, right? Please,
Yes, sir.
please, all of you, please be cool now. N is what? 0. So what is the formula to find out the number of proper subsets?
2 to the power n
Is
2 to the power minus
2 to
1.
the power n minus 1.
2 to the power n minus 1.
1.
1.
This is the formula. Very good. So here 2 to the power 0 minus 1. Now please calculate, use the calculator. Something to the power 0 is 1. So
one
we are
minus one
getting
equals
1
1 minus
minus
So 1
1
minus 1
is equal
equals
to
0.
0.
Okay, it is the most important math to be given in almost all the exams. Okay. Have you copied it? All
Yes,
of you
sir.
talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Very good. It is what? Subset sign. You know, A is a subset of B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, which one of the following is right? Correct. Which one is correct? Okay. Suppose number A union B is equal to A. Number B, A intersection B is equal to B. A union B is equal to A intersection B. Number D, A intersection B is A. Can you please let me know which one is right? All of you, please pay attention and you try to do. You just pay attention. All of you, please pay attention.
Sir,
So B.
Important
Sir,
math.
A, G.
It is the most important math I have written.
Oh, yes.
It is given every year in the board exam. Every year. Which one?
Sir, B.
B for Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, let's justify. You are telling the answer B. Very good. You just let me know A equals to what? 1.
Sir D হবে.
Right. A equals to 1. Suppose B equals to 1, 2. Because A is a subset of B. Now, what is the intersection? Let me know. Yes, intersection
D.
is 1.
D হবে.
1 means what?
Oh,
A.
no, no, no.
Oh, sorry, sir.
So our answer is
D,
D.
D, yes, yes, D, yes, sir.
It is our answer. All of you, please pay attention.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir, all clear.
Now, question is same, but I am going to change the options. Question is same. Now I am going to give here, write down all of you. I am going to give here A union B is equal to B. Number B, A intersection B is equal to B. Number C, I can write here. A intersection B is equal to A union B. Number D, A intersection B is equal to B. Can you please let me know which one is right?
Sir A.
Sir, A.
Sir, A.
Sir, A answer होगा.
A answer.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
100% sure. A.
Yes, sir.
Our answer is this. So the options may be given like this or like this. Any of these two combinations may be given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just let me know if A is a subset of B, then can you write A prime is a subset of B prime? Can you write?
Yes, sir.
If
Sure.
A is a subset of B, then can we write that A prime is a subset of B prime?
No, sir.
We cannot write. Okay. It is wrong, huh? Okay, let me know. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Then what can be written? Who can tell me? A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A. Then what could be written? Who can tell me? Hello,
Sir?
everybody. Let me know. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. Then what should be written here?
A is a subset of B. Sir,
When it is possible, just let me know.
A equal to B.
Yes, what's your name?
Sir, Asim bin Azad.
Thank you. Please write down. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. Then A is equal to B. Write down it. Which one of the following De Morgan's law? Okay, write down. Options are okay. Let
So
me know.
answer C.
Sir, answer
Sir,
C.
C answer.
Sir, B হবে না?
Sir, C.
Sir, C, C.
D হবে.
Sir, C হবে.
Okay. Yes, answer is C.
Okay, sir.
Remember one thing, if it is union, it will be intersection.
Yes, sir.
That means if it is intersection like this, if it is intersection, it will be union. I mean, in the De Morgan's law, we have two portions. Okay, number one is this, Number one is this, number two is this. Okay, it is also De Morgan's law. Okay, in the De Morgan's law, we have two parts. It is one, it is second. Okay, so please try to remember these two, write down in your copy. And the fact is that how you can memorize, just try to understand. If it is intersection, it will be union. If it is union, it will be intersection. Have you got it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write down. A intersection B is an empty set. N of A is equal to 3. N of B is equal to 5. Then N of A union B equals to what? Options are being given. Number A, 0. Number B, 2. Number C, 8. Number D, 9.
Sir, C.
All of you, not only one. At first, just let me know what is the formula of N of A union B. N of A union B. What is the formula?
Sir, N of A plus
N of
N
A.
of B
N of B
minus N of A
minus.
intersection B.
Very good. What is your name?
Sir, Hasin bin Azad.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
problem.
Now, let's put the values. N of A equals to 3. N of B equals to 5. Here, A intersection B equals to what?
0.
0.
N of empty set, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are getting 8 minus N of empty set. That is what? There is no number. So here number is 0. So our answer is 8.
C.
Okay.
Sir, all okay.
I think you have copied it. Another math. Write down. A intersection B is equal to 2. Suppose N of A, oh sorry, it is give your empty set, not a matter, because in the exam it normally comes in this way. N of A is equal to 2. N of A union B is equal to suppose 8. Acha, you make it 2, it's okay 2. Then let me know what's about N of B. N of B equals to what? Who can answer? I'll not give the options. Just answer it.
Sir, please
6.
wait.
So answer is 6.
Sir, answer 6.
Sir, 6.
6.
Okay, you are absolutely right. You see, N of A union B is equal to N of A, N of B minus N of A intersection B, right? So what is the value here? 8. N of A equals to 2. N of B, we don't know. And it is what? N of empty set means what? 0. So 8 minus 2 equals to 6. N of B, this is minus 0. So we are getting here N of B is equal to 6. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose P is a subset of S. Okay. Or very good, you write down P is a subset of U. You know U means what? Universal set, right?
Universal set.
Universal set, very good. Right. Then which one is correct? Then which one is correct? Okay, number A. P plus P prime is equal to U. Number B. N of P plus N of P prime is equal to U prime. Number C. N of P plus N of P prime is equal to U. Number D. N of P plus N of P prime is equal to what? Suppose I am N of U. Just let me know which one of these four is right.
Sir, D.
Sir, D.
I have
Last
okay.
option.
3 students have answered D, or 2 students have answered D. Then
Yes, sir.
is there any other answer? Yes,
D will be the correct answer. Yes.
its answer is D. All of you please write down. Don't make sound. Please don't make sound. Okay. Now, suppose A is equal to X. X belongs to N. And you did it in class 8. And it is 6 less than thrice X less than suppose it is 11. Question is, N of A is equal to what? Options are being given. Number A, 1. Number B, sorry, it is 0. It is 1. It is 2. A, B, it is C. And it is D, 3. Just let me know, all of you. Hello, everybody.
Sir, B.
Sir, D. 3.
Sir, D number होगा.
So I think the answer will be B.
Answer is D.
Sir, by mistake, you've been muted. Please unmute yourself, sir.
Sir, is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay, okay, sorry. Anyway, all of you please pay attention here.
Sir, B.
Answer is B,
No, sir, D.
No, sir, D, sir.
D. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Okay. How many students are in the support of question number B? Question number B, let me know. No one. And all of you support D.
Yes, sir.
No, sir,
Okay.
I support B. Because I
What's your
found
name?
out the answer. Sir, Asim
What's
bin
your
Azal.
Okay, you are absolutely right. Now let's do. This is the question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. So here, 6 less than thrice x less than 11. We have to find the value of x here because definition is given on x. So you divide by 3. If I divide 3, then we are getting 2 less than x less than, it is what? Can you please let me know? 11 by 3 is about 3 point what? Can you please let me know this type of,
So 3.67.
is it in your calculator?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
3.66 approx.
I think it is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just it is natural number. So you see the value of x is greater than 2, but less than 3.6. The less than, I mean, you see, suppose it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, 3.6, it is 3.6, here it is 2. Okay? I mean, the value of x is this. Now you see, which one is the natural number here? Only 3?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So we are getting A is 3, right? But dear students, I have not told you to find A. I gave here n of A.
N of A, sir.
Number of elements.
N of, yes, number of the elements of the set A is what?
1.
How many elements are there in the set A?
Oh,
Sir, 1.
1.
Only
So
one, sir.
our answer is
1.
question number B. Please talk to me
Yes,
without
sir.
making noise.
Yes, sir. I'm understood.
Okay. So is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do another math. Suppose A is given. Okay. X belongs to R. And x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. B is equal to x belongs to R, and x square plus 6x, or right here 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Question is, A union B is equal to what?
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Okay, sir. I'm
It's not so easy as you think.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, please wait.
It is the math of class 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's see. From here,
Sir, answer is
From here, we are getting the value of x. Let me know. X equals to what? 1 and 6.
Sir, 1 and 6. Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much. And from here,
Sir, 1 minus 6.
you're absolutely right.
Yes, sir.
Normally, the students mistake here to, resolve into factors. It will be x squared plus 6x minus 6. But the students have tendency to write down here 3 and 2. Please be careful. So we are getting x plus 6 minus 1. It is x plus 6 equals to 0, right? That means the values of x are 1 and minus
1 and minus 6.
1 and
Minus
minus
6.
6. Okay. So A is equal to what? 1, 6. And B is equal to what? 1 minus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are getting A union B is equal to 1, 6 minus 6. Some of you can tell me, sir, why it is minus? I have written real number. Have you got me? I have written here
Real number, sir.
number R. I have not written here N. Dear students, this math is done. Okay, this math is done. But if it is written in, then what will be our answer? If it is written in, then what will be our answer?
1 and 6.
You are absolutely right, because this minus 6 won't be accepted at that time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this minus 6 will not be written. This minus 6 will not be written. So we'll get our answer as by 1, 6. Okay. So we will have a lot of MCQs on exercise basis. Today, this exercise is not done yet. Next day, I have some other MCQs to solve from this exercise 1.1 along with other exercise. Okay. So all of you are required to bring calculator or to take calculator or to keep calculator with you from the next MCQ classes, okay? Because in the exam hall, you need calculator to solve any MCQ very quickly. I will try my level best to make you understand how to solve, lengthy math with the help of calculator within a very short time. So no more today. Thank you very much that you all
Assalamualaikum, sir.
cooperated. Ji, assalamu alaikum to everybody. Best of luck. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
জি মোখলেস স্যার আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ বাই
অনেক ধন্যবাদ স্যার, স্টুডেন্টদেরকেও ধন্যবাদ।
জি স্যার